Hi winners, and welcome to In It to Win It Fitness in the kitchen. Today we're making a light chicken spinach fettuccine. You're going to need 1 cup of chicken broth, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3/4 cup non-fat Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup feta cheese, tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon basil, 1 teaspoon salt and pepper, 2 cups of chopped Roma tomatoes, a tablespoon of oregano, 1 box of whole wheat pasta, 1/4 of a lemon, 2 cups of frozen spinach. Let's start on how we made the spinach first. First you want to layer the bottom of the skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil. Then you want to top that with your 2 cups of spinach. After that, you got to top it with 2 cups tomato. Then 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon basil, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 wedge fresh squeezed lemon, and from there you let it cook. And last, after turning the heat off, you want to add your feta cheese and stir that in and let it all cream together. And to make our light Alfredo sauce, we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup chicken broth, from there we'll let that simmer a little bit. Then we'll add our spinach and tomatoes into that mix. And from there we'll take it off the heat, add a 3/4 cup Greek yogurt, mix that together. Dump it on top of our noodles. And at the end, add your chicken. And there you have it, your chicken spinach fettuccine Alfredo. Stay in it to win it, stay motivated, and always motivate others. Peace. Right here, just click it. Just like click. That's all you gotta do. Click here. Just click it. That's it. And you're in it to win it.
That Michael Phelps go to the top spot. Yes, that's my goal. I'm in it to win it. In it to win it.